Hello, welcome to another video. In today's video, we shall discuss about how can we fix FCP issues. So let's see what exactly is FCP. FCP is something, now let's say someone clicks on your website and the first content, what is visible, is called FCP. Okay, so this is something we are going to fix today. So we are going to do a live testing on our own website. Okay, first, there's nothing here right now. I have not installed our FCP Slasher, which is our own product. We have not installed it. First, let's check and analyze on mobile. Now I'm in Chrome dev version. I'm using Lighthouse. We'll see how the FCP is right now. Now, as you can see, the performance of my FCP is 3.8 seconds, which is really bad. And you can see the speed index is 4.2 and LCP is 6.2 seconds. So right now, this is my FCP. Now let's come back and here you can see I've installed the plugin on our website. So as we are doing a live testing on our own website, all you have to do is just click on this enable button. As we are claiming, this works with just one click. But all you have to do is just click on this enable option on FCP Slasher plugin and you will get it here. Then just click and that's all we need to do. Now let's come back to WordPress again. Let's reload the page. And now let's analyze the page speed again. As you can see, the score is 81. Previously, as I showed you, the FCP score was around 3.2 seconds and LCP was around 6.2 speed. Page speed was around 5 seconds, something. Now let's see the the results. So FCP is 1.3, speed index is 3.8 and LCP is dropped to 4.8 seconds. As you can see, it has improved the LCP with just one click. Let's try it again. Let's analyze again. So let's see, as you can see, here's the result. And this is how we can fix the FCP by using FCP Slasher. So let's go back and disable the plugin. So let's reload the page and analyze again. Yes, you can see it's 3 seconds, 3.5. Let's come back, enable the option, and let's run the test again. Let's analyze the speed again. Here, you can see the FCP is 1.8 seconds. So the whole goal here is to fix your website's FCP issue, and this is designed specifically more for mobile. So let's see how is it on desktop. You can see on desktop, it's all great. This is particularly for mobile, to fix the LCP for the mobile. Here, and this is it. And this is how you can fix your FCP. And over the period of time, as the caching will take up, your website will also improve. This is a promise we are giving you that your FCP will be fixed no matter what. So get your FCP Slasher today. Hope this helps.